I'm Kevin Richardson, Director of User Experience at Infragistics. My colleague Ken Eisenhuth and I were asked by Keysight Technologies, one of the world's leading electronic measurement companies, to redesign the software that controls their line of atomic force microscopes. Originally created for the scientific community, the application had a very steep learning curve that took years to master. Part of the problem was that the application presented all of the microscope's functionality all of the time to all of the users. As a result, 0% of new users were able to successfully use the application. Experienced users required years of training, and powerful functionality remained hidden in plain sight. From the perspective of the business, we eliminated the need for novice user training. Novice user success rates went from 0% using the existing application to 100% using the new design. Experienced user training, typically taking place over years, was also substantially reduced, allowing researchers to focus on their work rather than learning a new complex interface. We began by conducting in-person contextual inquiries with representatives of the different user groups. Once we understood the mechanics of the application's functionality, the user's workflows and mental models, and the limitations of the physical environment, which included a 32-inch monitor shipped with the microscope, we were able to begin sketching various ways of visually representing solutions. Once we had agreement on the information architecture and the primary interaction models, we created a detailed wireframe prototype that let us explore how users would complete typical tasks sitting at the monitor and from across the room, as well as how our design matched their needs. After 2 rounds of validation, we were able to create the final visual designs and be confident that we had exceeded the expectations not only of our client, but also of their users. And in fact, the best comment we received was from a scientist who told us that this was the sleekest scientific interface he had ever seen.